Right, ebusia ene no ye besia senye ye be create WordPress website. Eno no eye more professional esen blogger website no. Nti on de blog ye create ye blog ni ye blogging no. Na ye use blogger de ye no. Ye be create the same blog no. Na ye de WordPress aye. Alright, nti no ye be hwe senye be to domain. Eno na san so hwe senye ye be to hosting. Na ya hwe senye be install WordPress. Na ya hwe senye be WordPress settings bi ho no wo sa wo ye. Na ya hwe senye be create yen pages. Any senye be install theme. Alright, ye link kan enter yen domain no. Domain no website abeto domain dey free so no. E go video description no ase. Enye sa website ne son kon a eno betimi ato domain and hosting e dey free ho. Hosting companies bebree ene wo ho, but say o ye Ghana ni na so wo Ghana ha na wo tie me na say o tai you see mobile money na wo dey payment a. Any me recommend this website ready amount. It's say our payment no are so flexible. Obetimi and make payment with any of the mobile money networks, either Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone Cash, and I say MTN, Momo. Inti say o click a link na a video description na sana. I do our website we say so Stormer host. Okay. Now we scroll down. On say shared hosting. I ha say VPS. I ha dedicated. Okay, inti shared and on say a great place to start your website or blog with 108 Ghana cedis. Let me host a website for a full year. A great opportunity. Let me start from now. Inti me get started neso. One more options I have say no. Let me host website about copy and 108 Say website for open up so creative for now. Okay. This offer 108 now. Wow. Alright. But I don't know. This was also talk with domain. More domain. This is our talk. And I say offer basic in so basic 300 cedis. For the first time on number 2 domain no untiaka. Okay. And no home and 300 cedis. And a monthly bandwidth and obet me so I link it to websites at the ama sa hosting no. Okay, so auto 300 there na. And a standard no 450. It's 450 no. And also no on register domain no at the amount for free. Okay. It is so here. Also so here they will say now now what corresponded to the marking in green, the marking red no. Okay, now I have services now. One a provided the amount no 750 Ghana cedis a year. As also and no the opportunities no be brave. But if sana was starting on, and come in recommend they say we will go for the starter plan and as the basic plan. Wow. Inti me azimi say be a go for the starter plan. To be me order neso. Inti ahano I was say with the domain name no at the sheho. Inti yemfani say be my domain name 2023. Okay, so .com na open there e wo hode da. Senya .com na say open other extension na wa click drop down way so .net, .org any all the domain extensions no. E wo ho a obetimi a select. Ovia na wa click on check. Okay, domain no available. And which they say obia enters a particular domain we say. So be ata ono be ka che say unavailable. Alright, inti ubemia cart ne so. Na we me continue. Choose billing cycle. Until be now person what domain no and as auto hosting for more than a year. Okay. Until no say when me away so now what select number of years or person what. So 1 year now so now pay the annual offer annually no. We are no scroll down now or be clicking on continue. No asan clicking on continue beam. Good. Until total cost in any hosting no 108 Ghana cedis and domain no 155 Ghana cedis. In this odd nina bomoa, a 263 Ghana cedis. Now I click on checkout. In Tiahano, over signing up with either Facebook, Google, and also Twitter. Many kind I can watch some previous video in until which me I check your until all fill the needed information now. No what you see with payment method no either mobile money, auto, and I say mobile money send and a bank deposit and a paper. Now I take say who accepted to the attempts now we clicking on complete order. What you see na account no ebe successful amount. Inti no you find say see an obi aye ni payment ewie a yenya yen domain name and yen hosting. Yenko install yen WordPress website. Right. Eti oba logging in akọ was Stormer host dashboard ni so. So udri hono mu a na wahwehwe services, okay. Until you call my services na wa click on domain name na otoye no obeka to say hosting say ubia obehu login to cPanel. All right, say o have any difficulty a obetumi edi ato video description asiana say obe send me email ewo roadtowealth@gmail.com na ma support you. And I say obe contact Stormer host for WhatsApp. And I say even uwo pin ticket crampona onom ebe support you na maboa. Say udru cPanel no so a bribi say e na obehu no. Wo de ani betimi differ from way de wo hu ha say but de me betre no. De me betre no obehu e wo de ne so pepepe. Ade ho hia sesi a ye hwehwe no eye WordPress anase Subtaculous. Ela na ye hwehwe. Oho, nti any Subtaculous apps installer. Ubehu we ewo wo cPanel nim anase WordPress. Emu de oho bia no fa. Se ohu WordPress app WordPress ni mo. Wo website no ebe appear o ha say. Se o more than one domain there. Enya no mia aha. Na drop down na ba no hwehwe wo website no. The opposite we install WordPress no ewo so no. Nti hwehwe website bi okay. If I say me install it was our domain we say so. So who do we say a trusted SSL certificate was not found. Now what's a sound HTTPS and a faco HTTP. Until the site name no Abasha has say into site name way Mr. Wood News. Now the tagline Abasha has saying your authentic news entertainment help. Alright. Add the username no. Now the Asheho into radio no yeah Mr. Wood News, okay. Now about password Eddie Asha say admin username no and no password no and now the login in Eddie call or website no dashboard and so obetimi Eddie will email Asha has say into where your professional email metro send you creative professional email it's say or the website now ebe your blogging tino for editor she has say into be editor@yourdomain.com tino. That's how it was a year. Okay, you scroll down now. Obetimi de wo email ashe ha say onom e de notification be ko email no say when you install WordPress. Afi o wi a na wo mia install ne so. WordPress no e install it. Okay, e install ye wi. So pe say o ko website ni mu a na we mia first one we say. O pe say o ko dashboard ne so a na wo mia second one we say. Yeah, WordPress dashboard ne so na ya ba no. Nti wo say yes some settings bi wa ha ansana mame share note ne so. Okay, they say ni about you install WordPress no. Into yanye WordPress settings no. Why? Quickly, I didn't know be any say, sir, and you may have seen you no. Way a home here, I was say my site and you see clean. Into bra screen options no. Na on take you munina. We are new close. Nice. Yen view your website and yen shade. Almost say, oh mama, hello world. When you post that, say we create a website biana. Omankasa edema ena sa sample page we see e omankasa edema nti yen paper enfem free ho yen go back na yen call all posts na delete trash we are no akọ trash anymore no we delete ni permanently. Good. After yen call pages all pages wo website na privacy policy who be here so I want to mean create a privacy policy WordPress for am default one I will bet me a UC mean delete that page for now I mean delete sample page okay after yen call plugins akwa say peripherals be a boa am website and a function no e demo the amodi amaye no ye here ye nti yen delete installed plugins na select we say e be select ni nyina na me a bulk actions ne so na code delete Nemia apply. Obetimi add the color. On says no be the color who na kuma tony yem. Okay. Ti so pesa sa dark color na ho na ohun. Obetimi asasa. O de ma menya na mentre o se na pesa meka no. Users ne ko profile. On say colors be brave na e show ha say. Nti e bia se we na opa o click so a pesa asasa. On say team na asasa wa ha say. But the color na we won kwa na hu nipa na o view website no o hu we alright say we nso na opa hu say na atie na say we nso na opa say na tie we nso na opa say na tie say we nso so say na tie alright good nti say we okay with data now we click on update profile in case the person also or password that obetimi aba set new password no about new password no e dey asha ha say no akọ update okay e be say password no but the bia no wo team no debia no wo username ni de wontumi ensesa. Okay, nti o say usernames cannot be changed. Settings bi ma yebe san so aye ene se yebe hwe yen permalinks no. Nti ko settings na ko permalinks na etike post name na ko save changes. Settings ho na no na wa click on general. Sa title ni tagline na ye set o mra ye install WordPress no. Eno name ndi se bi anye sei na open na obetumi asesa wa ha sei na we save. Okay, hwe ye ba besesa sa http ni https no. On say o maka che say yen site no enye secured because of say http no. SNM beka ho SSL code no install e wo yen WordPress ne so esan say ye to domain no enchei nti no website na we be a to domain no o man kasa be install SSL no e de amayem. Okay, ba ne sana e betu abesesa aha say ne de SS e de aka ho. Okay, SS ne de aka ho ye na ye save nti no no ma mentwe kakra kakra e be san so aba na abaye saade no. All right, plugin bi kra ho a ye be sample use na ye de secure yen WordPress website ye create. Nti don't be worried. And more if you subscribe to channel we say no turn on notification bell no. Na me video bi a won say to me aka na so to me ahwe kwan be so a what the be some of these things. You hear say they be making money online through blogging. You hear say you be create blogger website. Nti we you hear say you be create WordPress website. Nti me hwe note ni so na baby e wo no. Say no you install yen WordPress no. Yen WordPress settings no nyina wie. Okay, I can say be create yen pages no. You be create pages no, but me first video no be tintin be bresa. Nti me dey see I say na my a different video na me dey aba na ya to aso. Nti be hwesa video ni we kire ni mu. Na ahwe kwan be fa so a e be other settings no. We no e ya wa. Nti me fancy ya na yen to aso. Aya no subscribe. Like video no na video no ntumi trending e wo YouTube. All right, nti no share other video na yen to aso free ho.